Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
The winner result is 5 Violet, part of the plum section. My compliments go to all the winners. Thank you for playing and best of luck. Betting time is now available. You already know the drill, so let's get things started with nothing less than a spin of the wheel. No more bets, best of luck. Alfrey93. How are you doing? How are you feeling today? It is such a pleasure to have you here. Thank you very, very much for joining. And the winning result for this round is going to be, drum rolls, a sugar bomb. This time with 8X. Wow. Congratulations, let's get ready for a respin. Keep in mind, if you have the sugar bomb booster activated, anything you'll get will be double. With this being said, let's spin the wheel. Hopefully the outcome of this respin brings us another sugar bomb, sweet spins, candy drop, or bubble surprise. But in the end, whatever we get will be absolutely fantastic. And the winning result for this round is going to be, guess what? We got the sweet spins. Congratulations, and please follow me to the sweet spin screen so we can pull the lever and begin our bonus game together. Are you all ready? That's what I want to hear. So am I. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Starting with our first spin. 9 more to go. Nothing here, let's move on. We have some bananas, red hearts with the plums, red apples, and 2 sugar bombs with a total of 13X. Wow, what a great start. 7 more spins to go. We have the yellow candies, the plums, 6 more spins. Nothing here, let's continue. 5 more. Nothing here, let's move on. 3 more spins to go. We have some grapes with the plums and the bananas, the yellow candies. 2 more spins to go. We have the grapes and a sugar bomb of 3. 1 more spin. We are ending the sweet spins with a total of 69.10X. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you for playing, and I wish you all the best of luck in the following round. Here we go again with another spin. Are you ready? You can place your bets and guess what time it is. Right as always, it is time to spin the wheel. No more bets, best of luck. Just imagine that we had the sweet spins with 69X, which is multiplied by 8X from the sugar bomb. And if you had the booster activated, it would have been a 16 times 16.
In the middle, the red one is going to start to show really interesting with a plus 10 already. Empty box, plus 1, and empty box again. And a final one, but not least, is going to decide our situation. And after that, I do have a surprise for you. Plus 5 times 3 immediately after that. Plus 10, look at that. Times 2 promo box. Wow, that was good. And I want to congratulate all of you for winning. See, enjoy it. We're preparing to open the bets, new chances, perspectives, and decisions. The bets are open, but not with me, with talent. So see you in 30 minutes.
Hello, I'm back. Hi, my name is Talon. Bets are open. Let's spin the wheel. Let's go. How is it going? How are you feeling? I hope you're doing amazing. Yes, me again. No more bets. Good luck to all of you. How is it going? How are you feeling? I hope you're doing amazing. Let's see the winning results together. Hopefully we will start off nice. Do you know LaMelo Ball? We have a candy drop. There you go. We're starting off with a bonus game. Candy drop again. So, you already know it. You already know it. 3 candies. Choose your favorite. Blue, red, or yellow. You have 3 options. Try to do it fast. Hurry up, because if you don't do it in time, the system will randomly choose one for you. We have 4 chocolate bars here. Let's drop the candies from up there, and let's shuffle up those chocolate bars together. In every single one of them, you will find a purple box. Well, if you're chosen candy, will go through all of those 4 purple boxes. You'll get a jackpot, which is going to be an additional 1000X to your initial multiplier. Now, let's start off with the blue candy. It starts off +2. Here, we will get an empty box, +1, and it ends off ×2 purple box. Now, the red candy, +5 purple box, empty box here. +1, empty box. The last but not least, the yellow candy, +5 purple box. Okay, this is looking great. ×2 purple box, +1 purple box, and we got a jackpot. There you go, ×2 purple box, 1000X. There you have it. Congratulations, everyone, on your winnings. Thank you so much for playing. Good luck to these out. Let's get back to the wheel. That was amazing. First spin of the session, we got a jackpot. Bets ribbon. That's what I'm talking about. Let's spin the wheel. Let's go. Who got it? I want to see who got it. No more base. Good luck to all of you. That's amazing. Congratulations. I think it's the first time we're getting the jackpot together.
Sugar Bomb event. Compliments to the winners. Congratulations for this 2 blue grape section. That was really close. Let's spin the wheel. I really hope that I will have another chance to that. I really hope that I will have another chance to that. Please, if there is someone who can hear me, give us another chance, please. That could have been so good. That could have been so good. Yes, I know, Swissfin. I'm more like a horse, I know. The sound of a horse, you know. So, now let's keep it out of the wheel and let's see how it goes. A second chance, of course. Someone listen to me here. Sugar Bomb event with the 6X Sugar Bomb, by the way. 6X Sugar Bomb. So if you have your Sugar Bomb booster enabled, you will double your winnings. Can you make it happen? Yes, we did it. So, are you ready to spin the wheel? Because it's time for it. Yeah, buddy. Yes, please. Now we wait. If this happens to be a bonus, we will explode in winnings. 6X. What more can you ask for from a Sugar Bomb? What more can you ask for? So, let's keep an eye on the wheel and see how it goes. Yes. Yes, stay there. Perfect. Bubble surprise everybody. So, let's go. Let's move to the bubble surprise pillar and let's see what it has to offer, shall we? And this might be the end of our session as well. So, with that being said, let's shuffle the bubbles and bubble the shuffles. Come on. Get it on. Turn it up. So, candy drop. Yes, buddy, please. I told you we will have a great chance to a great bonus. So, let's move to the waffle maze and let's see what it has to offer. Wow, I'm so excited about this one. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm really excited. Welcome everybody back to the candy drop. Please select one of the 3 candies that we have available for you. Blue one, red one, or yellow one. If you don't choose it, it's okay. The system will automatically choose one for you. We also have 4 chocolate bars. Let's shuffle them, by the way. So, if your chosen candy goes through all the chocolate bars, you will sum and multiply your winnings. And if your chosen candy also goes through all the purple boxes placed on these chocolate bars, you will get a 1000X jackpot. With that being said, let's start with the blue candy and let's see. With a, close enough, +2. ×4 out there. With a +2. And that times 5 could have been so great. Perfect. Let's see the red candy now. What was that jump there? +1. What was that jump? Should have been doing that. ×4. Wait a second. A +1. And a ×2. That is quite decent. And now the yellow candy. Go for it. +10. You are crushing it already. Times 4. Wait, what? Wait a minute. +2. And a times 5, everybody. Congratulations to the winners. Once again, the yellow candy strikes without any further, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, flawless victory. So, have an amazing time at game, everybody, and have a good one.
Wow. Wow. Well, thank you, Jose. Enjoy your break. Greetings, everybody. Let's spin the wheel. Oh my days. Bets are closed. That was absolutely incredible. I have no words to describe what I'm feeling right now. I'm very jealous, and I wish I'm gonna be half. Know how much was spent for that. Come on, tell me. Yeah, I can imagine. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel some more. We have some very nice steak places in Romania, actually. No more bets, best of luck. But we're Romanians, we love meat, we love, steaks and grills and whatnot. $59. For everyone at the table, and how many people, by the way? And, develop, like, was it like only for you or for everyone else around? Oh, well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going back to back with another candy drop. Wow, okay, well, let's take another short stroll together towards the waffle maze once again. And as always, don't forget to select your favorite candy, red, yellow, or blue, or you can allow the system to choose one for you, whatever you feel like. In any case, for you to get a 1000X for your bet, your assigned candy needs to go through all of the purple jackpot boxes, following the jackpot path. Let's go ahead and start the shuffle for the multipliers and let me know which candy was yours, alright? Best of luck to all of you. Keyboard, another short second. I'm going to be back for you. Let's go in for the blue candy, but no, $59 for you only, that's crazy. +5. Were they appetizers? ×3. Or drinks included? +2. And ×4. Alright, let's go for the red candy. Ladies and gentlemen, we had the jackpot for the candy drops. Wow, okay, let's go for the red one. We have a +2. What was going on? I cannot believe that. +2 and empty box and +2 and ×5. Alright, let's go for the yellow candy. +2. Okay. Empty box. Where is my mind these days? And +1 and ×2. Congratulations to all of the winners, and thank you so much for playing, you guys. Let's take another short walk towards the wheel, and I'll see you next time for the candy drop. Thank you for your service, you guys. Betting time is open. I didn't even realize what happened. Okay, well, congratulations to all of you. Let's spin the wheel. That was a lovely round.